Welcome back, Investomaniacs. My name is Kitty, and I'm here to read the news so you don't have to. So first up, we have Delta Airlines. Delta has decided to add a new member to their board of directors, CEO of Procter & Gamble, David Taylor. Taylor has been the CEO of P&G since 2015, and he's been on their board of directors as chairman since 2016. Now, Taylor has been with P&G for about 4 decades. That's a really long time. That's like a decade longer than I've been alive. So, and he apparently had a lot to do with the optimizing of their product portfolio. So I'm assuming this is for stuff like when they sold off Pringles to Kellogg's in 2012. But that's just an assumption. Frank Blake. That's a nice name. Who is Delta's non-executive chairman of the board, said David's senior executive experience in a top-tier global consumer goods company and insights into branding and marketing in domestic and international markets will be very valuable as we build our airline into a trusted consumer brand. So I'm not sure if you guys know a lot about Taylor or his background, but it's pretty extensive. He's had several positions in P&G. For instance, he was the group president for global beauty, grooming, and healthcare, for global health and grooming, and global home care, and also global family care. He also serves as chair of the Alliance to End Plastic Waste. He's also on the board of directors of the U.S.-China Business Council. He's also a part of the Consumer Goods Forum, Catalyst, and he's also a member of the Business Roundtable and the board of visitors at Duke University's Fuqua School of Business. I'm not sure if I said that right, but I like how I said it's Fuqua, right? I don't know. Somebody correct me. So I guess Delta is hoping Taylor can bring all of his savvy to the group to help further extend their brand globally. Hopefully this will help them, but I honestly feel as though Delta has a lot of work that they need to do. I think they should hire pilots that don't come into work intoxicated, or maybe make sure that their CEO makes a meeting with the President of the United States instead of taking his family on vacation. But that's just my opinion. Moving on. We have Elanco and Bayer AG, who are basically trying to join forces. Elanco Animal Health is a company based on innovative health solutions for animals. They are owned by Eli Lilly and Co. and were listed on the New York Stock Exchange last year. They also have a $12.3 billion market value. So Elanco and Bayer are hoping to announce the deal around the time Elanco's August earnings come out, which is around the 13th. The deal's still really high up in the air and could swing either way, honestly. If the proposed deal goes through, Bayer will have a significant minority stake in Elanco, but if for whatever reason Bayer can't agree to terms with Elanco come September, Bayer is poised to continue with its earlier plans for a comprehensive auction process, which, I'm sure you guys know, but that just basically means they're going to auction off the company. Currently, the two companies are circumnavigating antitrust issues by determining which companies will need to be sold off in order to obtain regulatory approval. If this goes through, Elanco plans to pay at least part of the acquisition cost using stock. So we have Jeff Simmons, who is Elanco's animal health CEO and president. And he said that the company has a clear-cut path, right? He believes this is the right move for several reasons. He said the animal health industry has been growing at about 5% a year, is projected to continue to do so. He believes animal health is recession-proof, and he also believes that we're currently living in an age where society is beginning to care more and more about the animals it eats, which, honestly, for me, that's kind of a true statement. That's honestly a true. I'm still getting used to this thing. I'm sorry. Because when I shop now, I always make sure my fish is wild caught and my meat is free range, just because I can't stop eating meat because it's super tasty. But I do want to make sure that the animals have a better quality of life before they become my food. So yeah, Bayer has commented that they are just trying to overall get out of the animal health industry. So they're really pushing for this deal. And this is due to broader efforts to scale down after they purchased Monsanto and Co. I think that's how you pronounce it, for $63 billion last year. So at the end of the day, I think Elanco will end up acquiring Bayer AG, and I only say this because, well, rather Eli Lilly has made at least 10 acquisitions since 2007, including a $5.4 billion takeover of Novartis AG's animal health unit. So they're just bringing in these acquisitions left and right, and so it really seems to me like they know what they're doing and they know how to get the deal done. So that's about what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like and subscribe button down below and check back often where I read the news so you don't have to. See ya.